Hello and welcome to my tutorial for the Wizard 2.0 update. First you're going to want to open up the Wizard folder and drag the prefab into the hierarchy. Then you want to unpack and drag it onto your avatar. Then you're going to want to turn down to the head and the hands. Open up this. And you also want to drag this onto the right leg, right hand, onto the right hand, left hand on the left hand, the back goes on the chest, and the hat goes on the head. Next, you're gonna want to choose a staff, because you would only have one at a time. So I would suggest making a duplicate of your avatar so you can have one avatar that has all of them and then duplicate it and then delete the ones that you don't want. So I'm gonna choose the destruction, so just pick every other one besides that and just delete it. So now you only have one. Now we're gonna set up the animations. So you go up here to the VRC Labs, open up the manager, and then drag your avatar into here. Then you want to go down to FX, add a animator, go into here, drag the FX into here, and hit merge on current. Then you're going to want to see if it worked, so you can go to the animations folder into your avatar FX. You can see that all this stuff got added, all the parameters got added as well. Next you're going to want to do the parameters, so you go to this tab right here and have your avatar up there, and you can drag the world wizard parameters into this box and hit copy parameters. So now they have that there. Next you're gonna want to add this into your menu, and just add a menu here. Name it whatever you like, make a sub menu, and then find the wizard sub, and then you can add a toggle picture. You can choose one from the one that I made. Then that should be good to upload. If you have a different avatar, you're probably gonna need to move the hand placement. So you're gonna want to go into the wizard armature and to the book to be able to move the book. So you can switch that to 1 there and see how it's supposed to be placed. And to move it around, you go to this book hand and you can move this around. And then right after, you gotta go back to that book leg is 1. And then for the staff, you open up the staff, and in the handle you change this from back to left hand, and then you can go up to here in the left hand and move this around. And then after that, put it back to what it was before. And if you are using the otter, there is a hair toggle in game that you will be able to use to hide the hair. If you don't want to use that and you just want it off by default, all you have to do is go up to the hair bone here and just change it to 0 so it is hidden. And then you're ready to upload.